Welcome back. You have made great progress so far. In this lesson, I will provide you with a simple checklist which will make sure you have everything to launch your brand online with confidence. You should have chosen the domain name for your brand. You should know the professional email name that you're going to use for your brand. You should have understood the website content required, including the home, about, product, service, and contact us pages. We have also included a downloadable checklist to help you stay organized as you go. Simply click the button below to download your checklist. And if you prefer us to do everything for you, then the Infinity Brand Booster Bundle has got everything in it. Your domain, your email, your website, all completely done for you by Infinity Online Solutions. If this video is helpful, please like it, share it with someone who's starting their brand, and subscribe to our channel for more simple step-by-step online guidance for your brand. Whenever we are ready, let's move to the final step.